Let's turn the water off and see what's going on. Well, there's the problem. Unhook the sides and unhook the chain. And this one goes in the trash. Putting a new flat valve in a toilet tank is probably one of the easiest repairs you can do. This one's a universal fit. It has the tabs to go on the horns, but it's also got the collar to slide over the overfill tube if your particular toilet doesn't have that. But in this case, hard to see the instructions. Cut away that part if you have the rings. There we go. The arms go over the horns on each side, and then the chain connects to wherever's closest to a straight line from the fill tube to the flap to the arm. I think needle nose pliers are going to help me with this one. Actually, I think I want to feed that the other way. The idea being that the chain just pulls and hovers over and drops again. There we go, so it pulls straight up, and there's some slack so it can flop down. Turn the water back on. And make sure I'll watch it fill and make sure it stops and that it's sealed. Okay, it's holding. Let's make sure it works. Looks good. This is one of the easiest repairs you can do on a toilet. I'm Steve from Workbench-Z. Go have fun with your tools. Hold it.